Hi fam, you are welcome to another video on DIY, do it yourself. If this is your first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell for more videos. Okay, thank you for watching. So guys, on this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install peel and stick non-wallpaper. Okay, this one you have to use your gum, wallpaper gum for it. It's not the one you will peel and then stick. Okay, this is non-stick. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to install this beautiful wallpaper. Okay, check out the socket area, how it's done, like neatly done. You can see that, right? Yes, that is one of the things I'm gonna be showing you on how to do it neatly so that you won't have patches all around. Everything step by step. Okay, stay tuned guys. So this is the empty space I want to install the wallpaper on. So look at the empty space now. Okay, so let's start. So I got this from Home Depot. You can see that. And this one too, DIY, do it yourself. These are stickers. Okay, and these I ordered it. It's very cheap online. It's non-stick. Okay, I got this also from Home Depot. Okay, so I'll use it with this wallpaper. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Okay, so if I want to cut the wallpaper, I want to cut everything. Okay, all your equipment are inside that equipment kit for installing wallpaper. So you have your measuring tape, all you need for the wallpaper is inside that equipment kit, wallpaper kit. Okay, so right now we have measure, we want to cut it. All of them we'll cut them and keep them aside. Okay, before I forget fam, meet my friend. Her name is Vicky Bays. You can see her greeting you guys. Yes, she's my sister here. Okay, so she came to assist me to install the wallpaper because hubby is not around. Hubby is at work. Okay, thank you. At this point, we want to start applying the gum. Okay, the gum comes in a powdered form, so I got a container. I'm not gonna use, and a spoon. I'm not gonna use them, but if you have something you want to use and later wash, good. So at this point where I mix with a warm water. Okay, you have to make it a little bit light, not too thick. Okay, at this point also you need to be generous, like apply as many as possible. Okay, yeah, make sure the two edges and the two sides are well applied. Okay, at this point we want to install it. Okay, if you have a ladder, good. Okay, so I improvised. I got a seat, so I will climb to take it up. Okay, make sure you hold the two edges and then place it at the right place you want it to start from. Okay, at that end, make sure you hold it straight from up to down. Okay, then begin to massage it. Begin to roll it with your power, with your muscle. Okay, you have to straighten it, drag it. Don't drag it much because it's, at this point it can tear. It tears easily, so you have to be careful. Okay, it's already wet and anything can tear it, so you have to be careful while massaging it and straightening it out. Okay. At this point, you want to open the socket area, okay? So I'm trying it with my screwdriver. My screwdriver didn't work out, so I got my vegetable peeler. I want to use it to open the socket, okay? Luckily, it worked. So we are opening the socket now. We have covered the socket area. At this point, you want to cut out the socket area, okay? So if you didn't measure it, don't worry, you can feel it, you can see me touch it, so to be easy for you to know the exact place to cut, okay? Beautiful. Yeah, please remember to like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe if you're yet to subscribe for more videos on DIYs and the rest of it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You can visit my channel for more content. Thank you. See you on our next video. Okay, for now, bye.